So the Cougars are on the prowl. But before I continue, sure to like, follow, share, comment, trying to create a community of well thinkers, and I want you to be a part of it. The wording of this article is so interesting to me because what is happening here, blatant what is happening here, is older women are preying on young men. However, the wording is so cutesy, it's so gentle. However, if it was an article referring to older men who are preying on younger ladies, the wording would have been drastically different. Why is this? Why is it that we don't understand, we don't show predators what they are, regardless of their genders? Because that's what it is. An older woman preying on a younger man, a child, that's predator behavior. You're not a cougar, you're a predator. Well, cougars are predators, right? But let us stop prettying these things up. When the men do it, it's disgusting. And when the women do it, it is also disgusting. And if you're one of those who are going to come in my comment section and say, when you were younger, you did with an older woman and oh, something, please step away from my comment section. I do not want to hear. Then these news outlets, the justice system, every single established institutions and systems that we have in place seems to fail to understand the severity of the issue that we're having. Predators are not men only. Predators are men and women. Predators are people. Predators are adults who prey upon children. Please stop softening the blows. It changes us on a subconscious level. And ladies, you are not better because you are a woman preying on a young man. You're not better than a man that is preying on a child. Change your dirty ways, because sometimes soon in our comment section are these little schoolboys that wanna behave like some depraved animals. But hey, again, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Please drop it in the comment section.